Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for 7th of July. The daily candle open just started a few minutes ago. As you can see here in the countdown bar, this is the daily time frame. Yesterday we talked about the different scenarios. We spoke about the most probable scenario for today, 6th of July, was to come back in the price of Bitcoin because the last days we had near 16% dump. So the most probable is the bullish scenario and managed to gain okay. Today Bitcoin wins 2.85% in the upward trajectory. So yesterday we talked about this mitigation block, this line that I'm moving now. This mitigation block was some point of resistance as the same as the midpoint of this fair value gap, that is this red Dutch line, and the 50% of this range. The 50%, Bitcoin didn't touch this 50% of the range, but it touched the midpoint of the fair value gap. It managed to close within the let me check, within the second quarter part of this fair value gap. That is a very good sign. And in this uh, in this zone, the mitigation block was some kind of resistance. We will see in the 1 hour graph. Did you see here in 1 hour? It touched the mitigation block and then reject. Uh, and we can see the 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, you can appreciate very clear. It almost touched here, it touched here and come back. And then finally, it managed to starting to close above. The mitigation block is a place where the yesterday I didn't explain well, but today I will do it better. This mitigation block is a play where long players open positions and then went up, but when the price come down, they become they start to become underwater with their positions. So they wait that the price recovers, and when recovers and stay in the same level that they enter, they close the position. That is the idea of the mitigation block. This is a zone where big players, where big players close the position to mitigate losses, and they close in break even. So this zone is still a very important zone for today, 7th of July. The day has just started. So the main idea here is to keep going higher because we have a big bullish candle. So the idea is to keep going in that zone, in that way. But maybe we can have some kind of retracement, maybe fill this space here and then go up. The most important thing for Bitcoin now is to manage to close above this zone, and this zone, because tomorrow it closed the weekly time frame. So the idea is Bitcoin, hopefully, it will close around this zone or here. That will be a very, 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 very nice close. But that need to be some kind of very good day for Bitcoin. Maybe around 4% will be a very nice candle in the daily candle, but it's very hard. It's being realistic, it's pretty hard that the Bitcoin rise 4% in one dump in one Sunday, because Sunday are a low volatility day. Maybe Bitcoin will go will go a little bit and stay in that zone and near here, and Monday it will pump to maybe higher. This is the bullish case. The bearish case, well, the worst case is not that good, but it could be that Bitcoin um, managed to go a little bit here and then maybe here and then rejected during Monday or Tuesday to this zone, and in this zone see what's happened. Maybe in this zone could go lower, but I think it's not really likely because there's a lot of a lot of long players getting liquidated during this downtrend. So there's no more players to be liquidated. The most of them were out. They are out of the market now. So the price to come down, they need some leverage liquidation to keep going down. So it's very unlikely to the price to start going lower during this week. Maybe during this week we will have some kind of sideways market, but for now I think the most likely scenario is that Bitcoin come around here and then try to manage to this zone. This part will be very important because this is another mitigation block, and here we have the optimal entry point, that is this zone that is overlapped with this fair value gap. So basically, this whole zone is a very important zone because it's pretty likely that Bitcoin will keep up, and then going down. But for myself, the main scenario is to Bitcoin keep going up because there are a lot of there's a lot of players that were liquidated, so there's no much fuel for downward trajectory. Another thing important, guys, is that today it was confirmed the divergence in the RSI here. These divergences are being pretty accurate since the Bitcoin launch. Here was the Bitcoin launch, the Monday, I think, the first days of January. Since then, we have 1, 2, 3 divergences, and these were pretty good. This divergence managed to give us around 17% price. This was around 18%, and this was for around 19%. So this is a confirmed divergence. Now Bitcoin is retracing a little bit. If you're bullish, this could be a very good zone to enter here, around here. Around here is a very good zone to enter if you're bullish. And this divergence maybe can give us around, I don't know, 18% or something. That could be around this zone. So, well, we will see what happens in the next days. But this is the main thing that I'm working on, just a continuation of this movement. And the zones to look are this mitigation block, the optimal trade entry overlapping with this fair value gap. So that's it, guys. That's my main scenario for today, and I think this could be a very good place to have some kind of trade here. I will take this I will take a partial here, I will take a partial here, I will take another partial here, and I will take another partial here in this first part, and then leave a runner in the case we go up to here. But it could be a very good strategy to enter. Maybe you can enter here in the midpoint, of this zone. Like, I don't know, maybe around here or here. That will be or even here, you can, if the price managed to come back very low. But the most likely entry point is around here or now. Now is a good entry point too. So that is the brief reason for the forecast for my forecast of Bitcoin for 7th of July of 2024. Well, hope you like the video. If you want, you can subscribe and give a like and share with your friends. Take care. Bye.